Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share video with Google Slides. There are two types of video or two sources you can use to insert video to your Google Slides presentation. First is via Google Drive, and secondly is by YouTube. To do that, you can go to the insert menu and then click video. You'll see that there are two options. There is an option for YouTube, or there's also an option to stream the file from Google Drive. If you have a video from your Google Drive account, then you can use this method. But regardless, the method or the way it is being inserted is the same. So I'm going to insert a video from YouTube. I just need to copy the video URL and I'm going to paste it right here and press enter. Now it will detect the video and then I'm going to insert that to my Google Slides presentation. Just wait. Okay, it's playing automatically. Now you can set whether the video should be playing automatically or on click or manual. It's totally up to you. I think I'm going to play it automatically. So I'm going to mute the audio as well. It's not necessary. And you can apply some settings for the video player if you want to, but I'm going to skip it. Now let me remove this content and let's remove it as well. Now I'm going to make this video a little bigger. Let's put it in the middle. And you can also share this document to anyone and they should be able to see and watch the video as well. So I'm going to just click share and I'm going to skip it. Now you want to make sure that the general access is anyone with the link, meaning that if anyone have the link of this document, they should be able to see the document. And you want to make sure that the access is either viewer, commenter, or editor. It's totally up to you. But if you want to limit the access, then you just want to select viewer. So they are only able to see, but they cannot do anything. They cannot edit the document. So that's one thing that you want to have on your document. And copy the link and click done. Now I'm going to open a different browser window. I'm going to open incognito mode. Now let's go to the document. So this is the result, and yes, I can even play the document, play the video if I want to. So it's video running, and yeah, that's basically how you can insert a video from YouTube or from Google Drive to Google Slides, and then you can share a document with anyone. I hope you find this video helpful.